Hey everyone, it's me, Ethan here. Welcome back. And today we have a new type of video I'm working on. Again, guys, this is a little bit new, so I'm going to have to explain a little bit new things, just so you know. So today we're actually going to be taking a look at the M4A3 Sherman made by Brickmania. Again, this isn't like the typical videos I do where I do reviews. This one's actually going to be sort of like a time-lapse build of me building this Sherman. So again, leave your comments down below what you think. At the same time, if you want to see more of this stuff, I can potentially do it later on, depending on what vehicles Brickmania releases that I kind of would like to get my hands on to actually build for you guys. But again, it is a little bit of a different video, so I hope you like it and also enjoy it. Pretty much the same thing, but anyway, let's get right into this video. So there you go, guys. There's the whole video wrapped up now. I'm going to wrap it up, and there is the whole video on the speed build, speed run, whatever you want to call it, of me building the M4A3 variant of the Sherman that Brickmania just released. Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you want to see more speed builds of any like Brickmania tank or Lego set or anything. Let me know for sure, because I might start incorporating this into my reviews as well, potentially, depending on how fast I can get the speed run to, so I don't have it where it takes up as much time. As you can see, this speed run was already, or speed build, I keep on wanting to call it speed runs, but speed build was already like 8 minutes. So again, I gotta still figure out how to shorten it, even though I did not go the full length I can on my video editor, which you could see was unshot. Again, sorry for the kind of weird looking screen, but at the same time, guys, it's just how it was edited or how it came out. So again, I can't really fix that. I wish I could, but at the same time, I can't adjust the screen for some reason, so I gotta figure that out. But again, that's probably because I'm just using my apps on my iPhone to do this. But anyway, again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and and also while you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell for sure if you guys want to see future content. Which, speaking of which, the future content that's supposed to come out with these Brickmania, with this particular kit is I'm going to release a review on this guy, on this tank here this week, as well. I'm going to try to get a review out by the end of this week, possibly, or I should say not a review, but a comparison review on the two. So again, if you want to see those two and see what pros and cons they have with each other, make sure to actually hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when that comes out. And again, guys, I have to mention, last time I looked on the analytics, 84% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, and only 4% of you guys that do are actually subscribed. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, because again, once we get to 100 subscribers, there will be a 501st battle pack, which I know I have mentioned in multiple times in past videos. If you checked out a lot of my later videos I've made, or past videos, whatever you want to call them, I did bring up there will be a 501st battle pack giveaway at 100 subscribers, which there still will be. So again, guys, I will be releasing a video out on how to win that once I get one of the battle packs in hands. But again, mostly all you need to know, once we get to 100 subscribers, we will have that giveaway. So again, guys, stay tuned for that. I do have more reviews coming up for Hot Toy figures, as well as more Lego sets, Mario sets mostly, and some Star Wars sets potentially too. So again, guys, make sure to stick around and also subscribe if you want to see that, even though I know a lot of other people do the same stuff. But again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.